Hello everyone, I'm Alushba Khan and I'm going to update you about the new features in GPT. We have all been hearing about the new updates about GPT-4, but they have now launched, and it is that early in the morning I received this message from GPT-4 that your GPT can now learn from your chats. That we have been hearing that it will be able to learn between your chats and it will remember different chats at one time, and it will modify or personalize your GPT experience through it. So keep the conversation ongoing, and your GPT will carry what it learns between the chats, allowing it to provide more relevant responses. It improves over time. As you chat, your GPT will become more helpful, remembering details and preferences, like what type of answers do you prefer, what is the analog or the format you follow when you're prompting, when either you do prompt chaining or you ask multiple tasks in only one prompt, and manage what it remembers. Your GPT has been designed to follow your instructions in chat. You can reset your GPT's memory to turn this feature off in settings. Okay, so first, suppose you are searching for diverse things that are not interlinked. So if you don't want your GPT to remember that one particular chat, when you're chatting, what you can do is go to your username, click on settings and beta, and this interface pops up. Now click on data controls. Here you can see chat training and history. Over here it allows us to either turn it on or turn it off. Either you don't want a chat to be remembered or you want to disconnect this training, you can simply click on this and see it says either you can enable chat history again or you can just turn it off. So it is doing what? It is turning your history off so that it won't remember and your chats won't be saved anymore. So I'm going to keep mine turned on, but if you want, you can turn it off and just start chatting. How does this make your experience better? Well, that is, you must keep on chatting, you must keep exploring GPT, and if you are really new, you've just started GPT-4, that is a really good feature. It is like an automatic training of your GPT-4. The way I explained you to make GPT machine in the other video of mine, right here GPT is allowing you to train itself only. That is automatic. Actually, we don't need to give it any extra instructions or any extra things. It is going to train itself. So that was it about, and you can actually, if you don't understand, you still don't quite get it, you can simply search that what are the ways, how can I use this feature of GPT-4, and GPT-4 is going to tell it to yourself that just keep on chatting, just keep on exploring GPT, just keep on doing your work on GPT-4, and it is going to train itself automatically, and it is going to consider your preferences, your style, and it is going to adopt to your, to your searches, to your styles, to your themes or to your topics, and it is going to get more personalized or customized responses. So that was it about. And if you want to keep yourself updated about the new AI, news, new tools, then subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and give a big thumbs up if you like this news. Thank you.